P1 Royal for their presentation. And to do that is Mr. Austin Ejiofor. A round of applause for him, please. P1 Royal, they say you are giving lunch, P1 Royal, they say you are giving free lunch.
Of course we are.
Okay, did you bring my own free lunch?
Outside, actually.
It's outside. Hey! You bring for everybody?
Of course, as much as can be. Okay. When I say okay, say all right. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. If you are alive, say I'm alive. You are alive not because you breathe the air. You are alive because you are active in this business. And if you are active in the business will be fruitful for you. So if you are alive, say I'm alive. If you are awake, say I'm awake. If you are enthused, say I'm enthusiastic. When I say, don't sit down on your chair and say enthusiastic. No. Say, I'm enthusiastic. If you're enthused, say I'm enthusiastic. Okay. Like Mr. Ezekiel, our speaker, said, you must show appreciation. The truth is that you must always show appreciation. You know, some of us, when we want to talk about ourselves, maybe there's no money from in your home, wherever you come from, you say you are from a humble background. There's nothing humble about the background. If you had money, you'll be from a very proud background. So you say, I was from a poor home. And with P1, the truth is, if you believe in what you're doing, tomorrow will be bright. Right? So, and it's an opportunity for everybody. I want to appreciate the chairman and the GMD in absentia. The GMD in absentia, but my chairman here. They are very great people. I want to say thank you for this opportunity. I call the chairman my generator, my motivator, catapulter. When you align to some certain group of persons, believe you me, the sky will be the starting point. And it's important. You know, normally we pray and say God should connect us to just one person who is going to get you to the next level, just one person. And attach yourself to somebody like Dr. Austin Ejiofor. He's a great man. I want to say thank you to the managers, the managing directors. Sometimes whenever I stand here to talk and I listen and I look at these great men and women here, I know tomorrow I'm going to be a better person. The managing directors, please appreciate all the managing directors in P1 Group. Okay, now today, P1 Royal will not be doing much. Of course, what we're just going to be doing today is just updates. We'll just be giving you updates on the journey so far and for tomorrow. What P1 Royal has done is to make sure every single person here, every single person in P1 business gets an opportunity to make money. You know, sometimes when you are meeting a client or offering a client a particular property, the client says, I don't want this particular location, I want this other place. What P1 Royal does is to make sure there's property for you to give to your client at every point in time. So just for updates, for Lagos State, we have very wonderful estates in Lagos here. First of all, we have Excel Gardens Phase 2. Excel Gardens Phase 2 is so strategic. It's directly opposite Lakampine Tropicana after Dangote Refinery. And it's 3 million naira from tomorrow. We were selling for 2 million, and for one reason or the other, we had a lot of plea from clients, partners, and consultants. They wanted to finish an uncompleted transaction. So we decided to come down on the price for just 3 days. And for today, we are still selling for 2 million naira as I speak with you right now. But from midnight today, the price is going to change back to 3 million naira and there will be no going back. So as much as possible, for those who have clients that have shown interest, you can make payment today as low as even 100,000 naira. and then your client will still work with the original, with the price of 2 million naira. But after midnight, that is from 13th of July, the price is going to go back to 3 million, and then there will be no going back. 3 million naira from tomorrow, 13th of July. And then, if you are able to, like I want to always tell you, if you are able to make any sale, a plot, full plot of Excel Gardens Phase 2, you have 4 gifts to choose from. We've always been doing that. We are still doing that till you get another notification contrary to that. Now, if you're able to sell Excel Gardens Phase 2, which is 2 million naira right now and 3 million naira from tomorrow, you have an opportunity to pick. It's either a 3.5 kVA generator, a big refrigerator, as tall as I am, right? 2 doors, and a big washing machine, and a laptop. So any of these gifts you want, just make a sale of 1 plot of land and boldly walk to the office and tell me what you want, and P1 Royal will make it available. Please, let's appreciate P1 Royal for that. Next slide, technical. And Excel Gardens Phase 3 is directly by Pan Atlantic University, sharing the same fence, Pan Atlantic University. So let me just go through, and Springfield Estate, Eleko Junction, and we have Excel Villas Ikorodu. We're going to give you further updates as regards that. Okay, now, in case your client say, we do not want Lagos, I stay in Ogun State, we want something towards that direction. Now, Excel Garden City is available for you. It's just 400,000 naira a plot. 400,000 naira is table dry land. Buy and build, instant allocation. And in Asaba, for those of our Igbo brothers that say, I do not want anything in Lagos or in the West, I want something in the East. What we do, we'll be able to get a very wonderful estate for you, Sacred Heart Estate. It's only 810,000 naira. 810,000 naira, table dry land. 810,000 naira, instant allocation, buy and build. Next slide, please. Of course, Port Harcourt, we have Grace Gardens, 765,000 naira for your clients who prefer in that area. And Rejoice Gardens. Rejoice Gardens is 1,050,000 naira. Table dry land too. Next slide. Okay, now for Excel Gardens Phase 2, 3 million naira, 600 square meter. Of course, the updates. Fencing is ongoing. Clearing presently is ongoing. Gatehouse ongoing. For those of you who have gone there recently, and allocation has actually started. Allocation is in badges. Allocation is in badges, right? So when it's your client's turn to be allocated, we're going to send you an email, or we'll send your client an email. Not necessarily you, because we can imagine if you have, we've had people come to the office to say, we did not get the email for our client's allocation. Imagine when you have up to 20 clients and it's only one person that's going to get allocation. If we send you an email, which of your clients do you know you are going to go and meet? So we send your clients that email, and then price increment midnight today, like I said. Next slide. Excel Gardens Phase 3. Excel Gardens Phase 3 is one of the most strategic estates in the whole of P1 Group. Reason being that it shares the same fence with Pan Atlantic University. How many of us know Pan Atlantic University? At Eleko, just a minute drive from Eleko Junction, and it faces the Eleganza, their new complex. It shares the same fence with Pan Atlantic University, and you have so many reasons why you should invest in that. Now, for those who have been to Unilag, of course, Akoka. You know, the only reason why Akoka is what it is today, that you and I know, for those of us that did not attend Unilag, the only reason why you know Akoka today is because of Unilag. And that's the simple reason why you must invest in Excel Gardens Phase 3. The opportunities for landlords here today, or for those who want to be landlords in a very fast-moving environment. Please, yourself and your clients can please key into this. The clearing is ongoing, fencing, of course, ongoing, gatehouse in view, allocation to commence soon, and price review shortly. Next slide. Next slide, please. Of course, next slide. Of course, these are the, so if you are able to sell Excel Gardens Phase 3, just 2 million naira, like I said, for Excel Gardens Phase 2, if you're able to sell a plot, which is 3 million naira right now, you're going to get one of these gifts. But for Excel Gardens Phase 3, if you are able to make a sale of 2 million naira, a plot is 1.5 million. So if you're able to make a sale of 2 million naira, you'll be getting any of these gifts. Next slide. Special mention, Excel Villas Ikorodu. Excel Villas Ikorodu is a very wonderful estate for those of us who have not been there. It is table dry land, instant allocation. Table dry land. It's so nice. 300 square meter, 500,000, 450, 750,000, and 600 square meter, 1 million. And I want to inform you today that Excel Gardens, Excel Villas Ikorodu will be increasing in price by tomorrow, 13th of July. So if your client is able to make part payments, even as low as 50,000 naira, you'll still be buying at this same price. If not, the price change is going to affect you. Thank you. The next slide, finally, next slide. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much, P1 Group. Thank you, man.
Mr. Austin, next summit you will not be presenting because you have used all your time for the year.